Wow, beautiful rainfall in our ashram. Started right from night onwards. Now it is 8 o'clock. And see the beauty of rainfall in our ashram. The ashram is totally cleaned by the rainwater. I am also getting wet by rainwater. I'm enjoying. It's really good, fantastic. See the full of greenery. Wow, beautiful. Wow, you can see this. You can see that. I can feel the water. Rain falling on my body. Beautiful. Wow. Cleansing process has started. Nice. Now we are all ready to accumulate our sadhak in our ashram. Wow. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Just watch this video and enjoy.